the hottest and latest news this afternoon. I'm Jomabel Anthony. We're just days away from one of the most exciting celebrations in our city, the Pinapangan Festival. This spectacular event promises to bring together music, dance, food, and culture in a dazzling display of creativity and community spirit. Today, we are joined by Jonathan Ong, one of the organizers behind this year's festivities. Welcome to the show.
I'm so overwhelmed right now. I'm super duper excited with the questions that I need to answer.
Okay. We'll be asking you some questions to give us a sneak peek of what's in store. What's new at this year's festival, Joel?
We added some new activities that are related in our festival.
Okay. What can visitors expect?
What can visitors expect? They can expect the hospitality and their heartwarming welcome to the people in our festival.
That's good. And what's your favorite part of the festival?
My favorite part of the festival is how the people enjoy the food and how the people communicate with each other and how they take care of their visitors.
Wow. Have you joined in with the fun?
Well, they can join in with the fun. They can join in by participating with the games and also they can join in by communicating and making chit-chats with one another and make friends.
Wow. And what's the main goal of this year's celebration?
The main goal of this festival is to enjoy it and make new friends.
Are you enjoying the heat as the Pinapangan speaks goes on?
Of course! And the way they rock the house, wow, it's so heartwarming. You can never go wrong
Okay, Joel, thank you for those wonderful answers. And don't miss out on the Pinapangan